on today's episode of Driven by Detailers, we're going to unbox and use our premium paint ceramic kit. This is a true PSF coating that becomes chemically insoluble in 12 hours. This is a great additional offering for your customers if it's not already being done. It's super easy to use and I'd love to show you how. Come on, let's go. Tools you'll need. We wanted to make this a premium experience from start to finish. Our ceramic kit comes with a 60 ml bottle of product. This should be enough to coat the car with 2 layers. A foam applicator with a barrier to keep the product closer to the surface so you get more usable product. 1 microfiber towel and 2 gloves. What we also recommend is a couple of additional microfiber towels of your choice to use to buff the car to a gloss. You can use the QR code on the box to get these video instructions. The directions are also listed on the back of the bottle for your convenience. Start with a clean, dry car. Remember, you're protecting the surface you see. We recommend the car being washed, clayed, and sprayed with our decontamination remover, then dried, polished, if you're looking to get out any scratches or imperfections, and then wipe down with our prep spray prior to this process to help remove any residual product. This last step will assist in getting a better bond to the painted surface. It's very important to note that this coating is only meant for the painted body of the car. Do not apply to plastic, polycarbonate, or lenses. We do have a trim kit available for those areas of the car. Once you've got the car to the level you want coated, work in sections. I like to work one part of the car at a time. For example, a quarter of the hood. But if you want, go ahead and start in smaller sections and do a 2 foot by 2 foot section, and you're going to preload the pad by shaking about 10 drops to the edge of the applicator, and go ahead and take that leading edge of the applicator and create a wet line. It's going to be the outline of the section of the area you're working and box in completely. This product does have self-leveling properties, which helps with the workability. You'll want a crosshatch to ensure you don't miss any spots. First you go side to side and then up and down. Once the product has been applied in this area, typically wait 2 to 10 minutes to start to see a rainbow effect happening, and this is when you'll start removing the product. Remember that weather and temperature make the application of this product different, so you'll want to be aware of your environment that you're working with. Go ahead and take that microfiber cloth that comes with the kit, fold it down into sections, and buff off. After you do the initial buff off, you'll take the microfiber towel of your choice to go back through and finish buffing the area to a gloss. Once you coat the entire car once, if you prefer, you can wait 1 hour and go back around and recoat the car a second time. At the end of the coating experience, you're going to want to let your car cure for 12 hours out of the elements. Then not wash your car for about the next 7 days. You'll notice once the car has cured with the coating, it'll be slick to the touch and have what we call self-cleaning abilities. This is because the coating creates a very high surface tension, not allowing things to stick as easily to the car, whether it be environmental, in winter driving conditions, tar, or other environmental attacks. By maintaining your car with the proper ceramic maintenance shampoo, instant spray detailers, and proper care and maintenance, you should be able to enjoy the looks and benefits of this product for years to come. Alright, it's as simple as that with our premium paint ceramic kit. This coating was so easy to use, and if you need more information, please feel free to contact us. We'll see you on the next episode.